was a disabled veteran. How much percent?
He landed at Normandy.
But how much percent? I mean, was he getting a full check from the VA?
I mean, to be honest,
Well,
he died when I was 24. I don't know.
If he had, your mother had insurance.
No, he didn't.
Yes. Well, if he was totally disabled, she would have got insurance.
Right, so then he must.
VA.
Yeah, he had veterans benefits, and that was very, very good. She did not, so he must not have been totally disabled.
All right. Well, you know, that's one thing. But another thing, there's supposedly $48 billion worth of what you call it, fraud in the Medicare system. Why don't they cure that first?
That's a really good question. There actually are.
It is, ain't it?
There are provisions in the bill to start addressing fraud and to especially prosecute fraud. And it's in both the Medicare and Medicaid system. And most of it is some, but not all, durable medical equipment providers and people who essentially they directly market to you. So when you see a commercial on TV that says, I can get you a scooter from Medicare guaranteed, you know, there's this whole system, which is not good for consumers either because they get significant expenses of trying to direct market to consumers that you might need this device or that device or this medication or this scooter or wheelchair. So that's a big part of what they're trying to control, some of that marketing to consumers, and it's in the bills a little. And then the second thing, and I think it's important because those are our taxpayer dollars, we do have to find a way not to let fraud be sucking taxpayer dollars into greedy people's pockets. It's about the Attorney General at the federal level and at the state level telling them, we think it's a priority, you should spend your time investigating those providers and investigating those services. And even right now, our Attorney General just got a ton of money from a pharmaceutical company who had committed billing fraud. And Missouri just got several $1 million back. So let the Attorney General of the country and the state know that that's an important thing to you so that they could actually use the laws that exist to get that money.
The Attorney General is the same guy that wants to bring these terrorists from Cuba, put them in New York, and he's already said, I'm guilty, right? I really trust him. You ever heard the